Hey, beautiful people, welcome back. If you are someone who spends hours on your laptop every day, whether it's for work, study, or even just staying connected, you're probably familiar with the toll it can take on us, on our mental health, and on our focus. In this video, specifically today, I want us to talk about some effective science-backed strategies to maintain our mental well-being, your mental well-being, productivity, and focus while working long hours on your laptop. Let's take a look. Let's start by acknowledging that digital burnout is real. If you are spending long hours in front of a screen, you might feel mentally drained, distracted, or even physically tired at times. The constant stimulation from emails, SMS messages, social media, video calls, endless tabs can leave you feeling overwhelmed. This digital overload is affecting more people than ever before. But don't worry. As an IT professional myself and a yoga teacher, you're not alone. With the right practices, you can learn to thrive in this digital world without compromising your mental health. So, here's one of the most powerful tools that I use for combating this digital burnout, which would also help you. Taking a mindful break between different hours throughout your day. It may seem counterproductive at times, especially when you are on a tight deadline, but stepping away from your screen, from your laptop, even from your phone, and getting your body moving is essential for maintaining our focus and mental clarity. So, when you take a break, try to step away from your screen completely. A 5-10 minutes break every hour can work wonders. You can stretch, do some light yoga, or even just stand and walk around throughout the office to get your blood flowing, even if you are working from home. One of my favorite stretches is for the neck and shoulders, and just roll your head side to side and then give your shoulders a nice roll to release the tension. Next up is setting boundaries. This may be one of the toughest but the most rewarding strategies. If you are like most people, or also like me, your laptop is more than just your work too. It's also where you socialize, you unwind and consume content, chat with your friends, even family members who are abroad. But if you don't understand and set the boundaries and the importance of setting boundaries, your screen time can easily spiral out of control. So be in charge of it. Try setting designated hours where you switch off your laptop and completely close it down, and resist the urge to check your emails, scroll on social media, or even just sending SMS messages or going on Facebook. Consider using apps that help limit screen time or set timers to remind you to step away. There are a couple of apps, even the phone itself on iPhone or Android, that can actually limit the times to 10 minutes a day, half an hour a day, if you are working also as a marketer on your phone or on your devices. So it is important to intentionally, mindfully set boundaries on the technologies we use, whether it seems a simple SMS platform or sophisticated social media platforms, even work, email, anything that has got to do with devices. Now, let's talk about yoga and its incredible impact on your focus and mental health. Yoga is more than just a physical practice, right? It is a powerful tool for calming the mind and reducing the stress that builds up when we spend too much time on our screens. So, this is a couple of things that you can do, which I will also put the link down below. But take these examples, for example. Try doing child pose. You can even do it while you are sitting on your chair, doing forward fold, stretching the back and stretching the hamstrings. Areas that tend to tighten from sitting too long. Those poses will help you ground you and bring awareness back to your body. The other thing you can do while sitting is also breathing exercises like alternative nostril breathing, or you can also center your mind and just reduce anxiety. Just by closing your eyes just for a moment, inhale through the nostril and exhale through the other. There are a couple of breathing activities that I put down so that you can also just practice them. It doesn't take so much, 5 to 10 minutes. You can just practice them a little bit and just bring your mind back, bring that calmness back. And you repeat this a few rounds and you will feel a sense of calm and a sense of calmness and kind of stress leaving from you. Let's not forget about the physical space. The state of your workspace can heavily influence your mental state. A cluttered desk can lead to cluttered mind, so take a moment to clear your environment and create a peaceful space for working. Sometimes we put papers there, pencils there, a couple of things just filling up the table. Clear the table so that your mind can also automatically clear dust clutter. Use calming colors, like keep your desk tidy, add a plant, one or two. Natural environments like greenery can actually help reduce stress and increase productivity. Finally, before we finish off this video, let's talk quickly about sleep and nutrition. If you are working long hours, it's easy to forget about taking care of your body, sometimes even drinking water. But good sleep and a balanced diet are essential for maintaining mental focus and overall well-being. So even while you're working and being absolutely busy, don't forget to take your cup of water or a couple of snacks and having a good sleep at night. Don't start working or continue working once you're back home until 9 p.m. in the evening. Have a dedicated time to stop responding to emails, even accepting messages, even when the phone rings. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Don't skip meals. Include brain-boosting foods like leafy greens, nuts, berries as a snack next to your computers or laptops. And most importantly, make sleep a priority. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours quality sleep to recharge your body and mind. That's the way to avoid all the clutters and even reset the body and the mind overnight. And when you wake up, your body is on a reset mode. So, to recap, take mindful breaks, set digital boundaries, incorporate yoga into your day. Even though you are still at the office, you can also do this while you are on the chair. Optimize your workspace, declutter, nourish your body with good food, and have a good sleep. By integrating these practices into your routine, you can avoid burnout and stay productive and feel mentally balanced no matter how long you are working on your laptop. So, if you found those tips helpful, don't forget to like, share to your friends and colleagues, and maybe comment. Let me know your experience with working long hours and what helps and what not. Subscribe for more content maintaining on balance, wellness, or even in tech-driven world like myself. Let's help out each other. If you want to dive deeper into wellness practice, be sure to check out the link below for my resources, including daily mindful habits and daily nutrition and exercise and yoga practices, including stress relief mechanisms. Thank you for watching. I hope you get at least a couple of nuggets out of this. Take care of your mind and body, and it is the best way to sharpen and be focused and be healthy. See you in the next video.